Welcome back to this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today, let's get started with some Google Ads site links that actually worked. Site links can increase your ads footprint by 40%. In the 2026, they aren't just for navigation. They are your best tool to beat the new AI search results. Every site link has three parts. The site link text 25 characters maximum. This is your clickable headline. You wanted to make it a benefit, not an actual label. Then you have two description lines until the 35 character each is crucial for this year. So when I focus, for example, here, the performance maxed, the advertise the product, let's say, for example, I don't advertise this, where should people go after this? In my case, will be this site. So I copy, I paste, I go for continue. This is my campaign name. I'm going to be closing out the artificial intelligence helper, which in this case is the ads advisor. Now here, the campaign settings or the asset generator usually gives you, right? Don't write our pricing. You can write, for example, BU 2026 elements, right? So here, what you wanted to do here into the headline, you have the description, or first of all, you have, for example, the site link, the headline. It gives you 25 characters. That can be helping you, for example, in here. So one headline that you can be using usually help you with 30 headlines. So let's say, for example, this is your clickable headline, make it a benefit, not a label. So instead of going for learn how to use it, it will be helping you with these elements automatically, right? So you have two description lines into characters each. Crucial, all right, here into the description here, which is 5 here. Crucial for this year, because if you don't find this out, Google won't show you ad and in haste format. So you just need a tiny blue link. So don't write our pricing, for example. You wanted to write BU pricing plans. The more specific the action, the higher the click-through rate. So turning off the auto apply. By default, Google will help you by create site links automatically from your website section, which is going to be appearing directly inside here. So when you are a site link, usually these are terrible because they linked you to the privacy policy, the blog, go to the settings, find the auto apply. So you wanted to uncheck that element here. If you already have the site links added, well, you have to manually delete those elements. But basically here, for example, we don't have any site link, right? So the winning for is that to maximize the performance, you want to provide at least 6 site links, right? The show your proof, the link to the testimonials, trust the #1 comparison factor, and the comparison. If someone is researching, they wanted to compare to others. So help them do it on your site so they don't go back into Google. My site line text will be, for example, learn to use Canva now. Description line will be access our free YouTube tutorials. And I wanted to send them directly into my final URL. This is going to be my first site link, and you can have more and more site links available. There's a tracking template you can just use to get started. In my case, I won't do it. So there's a custom parameters they won't be using to get started right now. And the site links, once again, try to focus into 6 minimum. So you can add site links at the account level or at group level if you wanted to. So you want to use account level for contact us only, or for the about us, right? So if you sell shoes, for example, don't show hiking boots. Site links on an ad for running shoes, right? So this is exactly what you want to be aiming for. Once you finish with this element, you can now go directly for the upper side. It says next, check out your budget. Usually what I do is to focus for the average daily budget and focus for something really small. If I just get it started from $2 to $10, for example, and there we go. When you have now having, for example, more than 1 week with all of these measurements, what you can do now is to pause and start to be making some changes before you want to finalize your actual campaign. So if you want more videos like this, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to check out more about Google Ads. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.